Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show how to make winter landscape animation in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's right mouse go to composition settings and go to 3D render. If I see here Cinema 4D, go to change default classic 3D. Click OK. And select all these layers. Let's click toggle switch modes and click the checkbox for 3D layer. And then go to active camera. Let's change this top. And first one, select this mountain center. And let's press P. Move to back. I will make parallax animation with camera tool. Okay, and let's move to back more. Okay, let's move more and select this mountain right. Let's press P and move to back also. And select all these layers. Let's press P. And let's select this mountain left. Move to back. Let's hold shift, move to back for fast. Okay, select this mountain shadow. Again, hold shift, move to back. Okay, select these all three shadows, move to back like this, and house, let's move to back, and land 1, move to back, and layer clothes, let's move to back like this, and layer 3 1, move to here, and layer 3 2. Move to back, and layer 3 4, move to back, and 3 4, and land 2. Let's move to back a little bit like this. So this is our parallax layers, and let's hold Ctrl A, select all these layers and close settings and change camera, active camera. Let's change it up 100%. So in this time, let's first select this land 2, press S, open scale and change scale like this, and move to down. Select this layer T, T4, and other T layers, press S, change scale. Okay, let's select this T4 layer, let's move to right, and T3, move to left, and T2, move to left like this, and 1, move to here. So select this land 1, press S and change scale, and let's move to down like this. Okay, select this house layer, press S, change scale, and let's move to here. Okay, and T shadows, press S, change scale. Okay, and let's move to up. And mountain shadow, press S, change scale, and let's move to right. Okay, that's good, and let's close these settings. And mountain left, press S, change scale, and let's move to left, also move to up. And mountain right, press S, change scale, and let's move to right here. And mountain center, press S, change scale, and move to up like this. Let's change scale more. Okay, so in this time, let's create new camera tool for animation. Let's right mouse, go to new and camera. Don't change any settings, click OK. So for control camera, let's select this camera 1. Right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pembe hand icon. Click session tool, change preview size. Okay, and right now we can animate scene like this. Okay, so select this camera orbit null, press P, and make new passing keyframe, go to 8 seconds, press N for select work area, and let's make camera animation like this. Okay, let's see. Nice, but we have a problem here. Let's select this land 2 layer. What is land 2? Okay, and let's see. Let's move to down like this and press S, change scale. Move to down, let's see here. Okay, nice. Let's select work area and let's preview animation. Okay, very nice. So select this house layer and let's move to down a little bit and Ctrl D, move right, and select this blue arrow, hold shift, move to back and move to here. Again Ctrl D, move to left and again move to here. This is like an village, change scale. Okay, not bad. Let's see. Nice. Select this house, move to back, and let's move to here. Let's move to front a little bit. Okay, very nice. And select this layer 3. Let's select this 3 and let's select layer 4. Move to here, Ctrl D, and move to back. And put down like this. Very nice. And select the T2 layer, Ctrl D, move to left and move to front. And Ctrl D, move to down like this. Move to back a little bit. Okay, this very good. And let's move to right. Select this layer T1, Ctrl D, and hold Shift, move to back. Okay, this is default field, very important for realistic parallax animations. Select this layer clothes, cloth 1 and 2. Press S, change scale. And let's move to here, and this move to here. Okay, let's move to back and move to up, and this move to back and move to up. Okay, not bad. So for realistic camera movements, let's select this camera tool and hold Shift, press R, open rotation. And let's make X, Y and Z rotation keyframes. Go to last second and chain rotation like this. And a little bit chain rotation for realistic camera animation. Okay, not bad, but we have problem again this land 2 layer, and select this land 2 layer and move to down or move to up. Okay, and change scale. Let's move to down a little bit. Okay, again let's move to up a little bit here. Okay, that's good. And select this land 1 layer. Let's move to down or change scale. Okay, looks good. But don't forget to select these house layers. And move to down and behind to land 2 layer. Select house 3. Also move to down. And let's see. Okay, looks good. And let's select these T shadows. Also move to down. Nice. And for final, let's close these keyframes and go to layer, new and adjustment layer. Change name snow. And go to FX presets, search FX snow. Select the CC snowfall. Let's use for snow adjustment layer. And we can play with these settings for better result. Let's change flex and size. Let's see. Nice. Can change here wind, left to right. Okay, not bad. And opacity change 100%. Yeah, let's change this flex like this. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's select these mountain layers and these 3 mountains and press P, and let's move it up, make new path in keyframes, go to last keyframes and move it down. Let's see quality quarter. Okay, move it down more. Okay, nice. And let's select this keyframe for random animations. Let's make these random keyframes. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.